In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a working contact form. I'm going to use Form Submit because it is the easiest one in my experience. You should check their website first. It has everything you need to know about Form Submit. Form Submit is fast to set up and has a bunch of features that we can use. I'll be doing this with only HTML to show you how the system works, so I won't be adding any CSS to this. Let's start by adding our boilerplate code. I'm changing the title to contact here, nothing special. Let's grab the boilerplate code from Form Submit site. Paste it inside your body tag. Don't change anything inside this form tag. The only change you want to be doing here is adding your own email. I'm going to add my contact mail here. With this email input, I can get their email and reply back to them. I'm keeping this required so I can get their email and reply back to them. I'm creating a subject box so they can add a subject to the mail. This is a Form Submit feature, so you need to be using this class to make it work. And here is a text area where the main message will go in. Let's test the things we did so far. I'm typing some random stuff to test if it works. If you watch this far and find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. This is the default human verification to prevent spam. We can disable this later. And here is the default thank you page. We can change this one as well. As you can see, everything works. Our mail got sent to us. We can disable the human verification with this Form Submit feature, but disabling it is not advised. We can create an auto-response message as well, so the person that tried to contact us can know that the mail has reached us. We can add a bunch of extra features as well, such as having your own thank you page. But I think to use that you need a web server. You need to have that site hosted somewhere in the web. If you got stuck while doing this, watch this video again, or check their website for documentation. So in this video, we made a working contact form. We tested some extra features and made sure everything was working. If you liked this video and watched this far, please consider subscribing.